Right, so I'm going to start by pouring in the water from the kettle. In it goes. It'll save time. Not really sure how much I need, but I'll just put in a fair bit. Okay, that's the water done. Now we'll put this on. It goes in there. It says that one should give it a bit of a twist, so I'll do so. There we go, that should be enough. Now in goes the coffee. Put a couple in there, I think. Right. So that's right. Now it comes to the lighting it. So that goes in there. Get a match. Now, hopefully this thing won't cause any problems. Let's just lob that in there. Like you bastard. Is it going? Oh, yeah. Okay, the fire is on. I'm gonna stand back. Oh, bloody hell. What the fuck? It doesn't look good. Oh my god. It's not good. The water's going up now. Hopefully there's enough pressure in there. There's a lot of smoke coming off it though. Oh, water's out. Good God. Right, I'm gonna put the lid on the flame in a minute. Right, I think now the time is to put the lid on. Right, the flame is now secured. And now comes the real fun bit. What's happening is the difference in pressure is causing a vacuum. If this oh dear. This isn't good. It's not good at all. Absolutely bugger all's happening. It seems to have failed. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Well, it hasn't worked, obviously. Rather disappointing. Just have to try again, I think. Might be the seal wasn't good enough. I really don't know. Sad, really. Right, this is a Cona vacuum coffee maker. As you can see, the water's boiling away, which is what we want, and everything's set up as it should be. This is the second attempt at getting this thing to work. What I'm going to do now is, yeah, I'm gonna put this in the top. Yeah, so that goes in, right, in it goes, and I need to make sure I get a damn good seal because it bloody didn't work last time. Right, okay. It seems to pretty sealed. Okay, let's wait and hope. So all the water's going up, as you can see. It seems to be working very nicely. Quite pleased. But I don't know how long to leave it for. I really don't. But we'll try. We'll deal with this now. Right, this is going over the fire. And now, at this point, it should start to work. Vacuum forms. Ooh. Yes, it seems to be working. Yes. Well, it's definitely worked this time, so I'm quite happy. I'll enjoy a nice cup of coffee. I'll get my cup ready, I think. Yes. Here we are. Right, it's done. Good. Right. The moment of truth. Let's see. Smells good. Hmm. It's not bad. I don't know if it's brilliant, but it's okay. So there you have it. The Cona vacuum coffee maker.